Namaste viewers. Today in this video I am going to explain one more concept related to the circles. Here again I have made use of the GeoGebra platform and created a very small file. With this GeoGebra we are going to understand the relationship between central angle and inscribed angle of a circle. We know that central angle or the inscribed angle in a circle can be created with the help of an arc of the circle or with the help of a chord of the circle. So in both cases we require two common points. Here A is the center of the circle, E and I are the two common points. With the help of these common points I have created a central angle, that is EAI, and an inscribed angle, that is EFI. Now when such two angles are created with the help of the same two common points or with the help of an arc or with the help of a chord, then there exists a relationship between these two angles. It is the central angle formed by such two points will be always twice the inscribed angle. Hence, with this GeoGebra application, I am going to show you how the relationship stands. Okay, so here we can able to see that the inscribed angle is 58 degree and the central angle is 116 degree. So it is exactly twice of. Now if you move this point F anywhere on the circle, then the angle remains the same. Remember this, because this inscribed angle, it depends upon the central angle. As the central angle is remaining same, the inscribed angle also remains the same and it will be half of the central angle. Now if you change this central angle with the help of change in the position of these two, for example, if I make it as say 130 degree, then observe the inscribed angle, it is 65 degree now. So therefore it is exactly half of the central angle. Okay, so you can make these changes in any manner, and with every such angle, see here the central angle, if it is 50 degree, then the inscribed angle is 25 degree. Now let us see the same thing with the help of self-changing angles. Here I have created a command for this. So if I start this, then automatically the central angle goes on increases. Okay, so we can stop it at any instant of time. See, observe it carefully. Here the central angle is changing, so according to that the inscribed angle is also changing. I have stopped the animation now. See, the inscribed angle is 78 degree, whereas central angle is twice of that 78 degree, right? If you do it, then see and observe continuously that these angles are always, see here, the inscribed angle is 124 degree and the central angle is 248 degree. Okay, so with the help of this beautiful animation of GeoGebra, we can able to understand the relationship between the central angle and the inscribed angle formed in a circle with the help of two common points. Hope the video is useful for you people. Thank you very much for watching this video and do support the channel.